This is an agentic coding tool working directly inside a local codebase. While you oversee the plan, it executes the background process of analyzing and modifying your project files in real time. For years, developers have relied on copying and pasting code from a browser chat window. By moving the assistant into your IDE, you remove the friction of manually syncing your AI suggestions with your actual files. To establish this local connection, your system must meet these three requirements: Node.js version 18 or higher, a modern IDE like VS Code or JetBrains, and an active Claude Pro or Max subscription. Once these technical baselines are met, your IDE is no longer just a text editor. It becomes a workspace where the AI has full visibility of your code and the ability to propose direct changes. Start by opening your terminal and typing node-version. If you see version 18 or higher, you can proceed with the installation. To install the core Claude Code interface globally on your system, enter the command npm install g at anthropic.ai/Claude Code. After the installation finishes, you must completely close and restart your terminal. This refreshes your system's path, ensuring the Claude command is recognized immediately. To confirm your installation is healthy and ready for work, run Claude Actor. This diagnostic tool verifies your settings and subscription status. Now, initiate the link to your account by typing Claude off in the terminal. Follow the prompts in the browser. Be sure to select the Claude account with subscription option. The console option is reserved for those using a separate API billing plan. With your machine now securely tethered to the Claude engine, you have the backend in place to support the Visual IDE extension. In VS Code, navigate to the extension sidebar and search for Claude Code. This plugin provides your graphical interface. For a JetBrains IDE, follow the same path through your settings and plugins marketplace. Once installed, look at the top right corner of your editor toolbar. You will find the Claude Spark icon. If you don't see the icon immediately, make sure you have a code file open. The extension remains hidden when you are looking at an empty workspace. Your IDE is now fully equipped with a native interface, connecting the AI directly to your visual development workflow. Opening the Claude panel allows you to interact with your code using context. You can start by highlighting a specific function or block of code you want to modify. You can also use the mention feature. Type @ in the prompt box to fuzzy search specific files or your current selection without typing full paths. After you submit your request, Claude analyzes the surrounding files and logic to propose a targeted refactor or fix. You can review these proposed changes using a native side-by-side diff viewer. This allows you to see exactly what the AI wants to change before any files are updated on your disk. Once you approve the diff, the changes are applied immediately to your local file, ready for you to test or commit. To maintain consistency, you can create a claude.cmd file in your project's root directory. This acts as a persistent memory bank for your project's coding standards. Claude reads this markdown file at the start of every session. By defining architectural rules here, like specific naming conventions or library preferences, you ensure the AI adheres to your project's standards in every response. This combination of context-aware prompting and markdown-based rules creates an assistant that understands both the specific lines of code you are editing and the overall standards of your project. You now have a coding agent integrated directly into your local development environment. In this environment, Claude can read your local files, interpret the logic of your specific framework, and write code directly into your workspace while you manage the high-level plan. Beyond local editing, you can use the /mcp command to link Claude to your broader team tools, such as Jira for task tracking or Google Drive for project documentation. By offloading the manual tasks of context gathering and syntax formatting to the agent, you can focus on making the final architectural decisions. This integration changes the developer's role from writing every character to orchestrating the overall flow of the project.